and I'm going to be singing Sunday Morning by Maroon 5. Okay. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Steal some cover, share some skin. Clouds are shedding us with moments unforgettable. You twist and fit the mold that I'm in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I would rather hit the road and get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness you are all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and now I never want to leave. Bye.